Goli khona izisebenzi engamalungu enyunyana iNehawu bephume ngobuningi ibhikisha lokwenyuselwa imiholo. Ekhuluma neSABC namhlanje obambenye ngesikhulu esiphezulu eminyangweni wezempilo eGauteng uMusiba Mulutwana uthe bayazama ukuthi umsebenzi uqhubeke njengoba kunesiteleka.
The police, of course, given the slow start last week in terms of enforcement, the content directs them to actually ensure that access is facilitated. So the police are there for that reason, to ensure that the court order is enforced. But the army are here for a completely different purpose. The army is here because we have since accessed the military health personnel. Wherever you deploy military health personnel, the inventory needs to go and guard and protect them. So there's slightly different reason. But the police...
Nasembombela bekunjalo, izisebenzi engaphansi kwenyunyana iNehawu zithi nje ayibuyele emuva ayihlehli.
Asibuyele emuva up until umqashi come back to us atositshela ukuthi okay ke comrades for the year 2022-2023 this is what I can give you as basebenzi.
Nasesifundazweni iFree State besiqhubeka isiteleka sezisebenzi engaphansi kwenyunyana iNehawu njengoba le izisebenzi ikhala ngemiholo nje. Iphathimandla zezempilo esifundazweni zithi izama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi lesiteleka singabi nomthelela ongemuhle kulabo abadinga usizo lwezempilo.
Every day since the strike began, we've been doing assessments of staff attendance and absenteeism every day since the 6th of March. We do it almost about twice a day in the morning to account for those that come for the duty of the day.
Emthatha esifundazweni Eastern Cape bebecwela imigwaqo edolobha ke ababhikishayo lapha. iNehawu esifundazweni ithi nayo ayithanda ukubona abantu bengalitholi usizo lwezempilo kodwa uhulumeni uyena oqinisa ikhanda.
Ayikho kwethu asirhalela abantu bethu into nayo nguhulumende wethu oqinisa inhloko.
Lesiteleka selokusaqala ngomhla ziyisithupha kuNdasa. Amalungu eNehawu afuna ukwenyusela imiholo ngamaphesenti ayishumi kanti umqashi ubeka u4.7 wamaphesenti etafuleni. Nasesifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal beyiqhubeka imbhikisho njengoba izisebenzi engaphansi kwenyunyana iNehawu zifuna ukwenyuselwa imiholo.